Hey, what's going on, everyone? So today, as you can tell from the thumbnail, I'm working on the tail lights. I'm gonna put these new tail lights I got on the 540. Boom! There they are, right there. Whoo! So as you can tell, my other ones, yeah, my car is it's winter now. You can see I got a freaking jacket on. It's like 25 degrees and it's freezing, but we're still getting it done. We're still getting things done though. So I know it's dirty, but I got the smoke tail lights with the white. It just smoked out really. But then I don't know if y'all see my other video, but over here, the reason why I got this tape right here is because like this tail light, see how it just comes out? If this wasn't taped up, it would fall out. And I'll show you on the new one, is because these right here, there's just a nut that goes on. This is what keeps the tail light on the E39 on. These like things broke. Whatever, like it broke on it, all three of them. I went with just like the regular OEM ones because I think it just gives it a clean look. You know, smoked kind of gives it an aftermarket look, but since my headlights, the corners are clear, I was like, after, you know what, I'll just go with these. And I know y'all see these other boxes. This is for a cord. This is for my motor mounts for this car. And then I also got wheel bearings for the fronts. I know my left front really needs it, but I just got both. All right, so all you need to do this process is a ratchet and an 8mm. I have the impact, so I'm not gonna use a ratchet. But that's pretty much it. And they're behind here. Oh, you didn't see that? This is how mine is set up. I don't know if they're all like this, but it's set up like this with the board and like the wire right there. But you see like these, this nut right here with the screw. There's like another one right there. There's that one up here. You just unscrew those, and then this tail light just comes out. And then boom, just like that, comes right out. You can see through this way if you want. Sometimes there's 4 holes, but the taillights I had only had 3. See, like you can even see like this material right here. This is different than this. Boom, that's how you get it done. So the tail light install is pretty much done. It's just dark right now, so I don't really want to show y'all. It's not in the best lighting. So in a little bit, or probably the next day or something, when it's light out, I'm gonna show y'all the final product.